Not that good. I don't really see it.
It happened at my house.
Who is it?
Yeah.
Is it
I'm
the
right
government?
by yes, I'm right by a hospital, and we flew our drone higher than yours, and that's the exact same thing that happened. But it was just one of them, and they came flying up.
I'm not doing like something.
No, you're fine.
I'm just above the 400 feet.
Yeah,
Because I turned it off because it seemed like we were fun.
yeah.
What the fuck? Should I go up and see what they look like?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
I say do it.
Do
Yeah.
it.
Make sure you don't go above the 400 feet mark.
No, just go up and find out if these things are UFOs or drones.
Here comes the cops. They're coming over here, guys.
Really? Oh. It's wild.
Here, you want to do it? Let's do it.
You're scared.
You do it.
You gotta control it.
Yeah. Look, if the cops or the army shows up, I'll tell them I did it.
They're getting closer.
Yeah, they are. They're watching us.
No, okay, so take
They
it
are
off.
watching us. There's like one per person.
That is weird. Okay,
Dude,
where's
they
our?
start fucking shooting. Real gun.
All right, go.
They'll destroy us right now.
Hello, other drones.
Or it's just like a
you
game.
see where
It's
the
the
feet are.
drone mafia.
It's the drone mafia. They're coming to get us, you guys. You better look out.
I told you this happened at our house.
I believe you.
One of them flew up and like was watching us. Yeah, we are the state that invented drones. So like,
Really?
yes, North Dakota
We're
is
not
like
the
drone
state that-
capital. We are like drone central for the military.
Yeah, in Grand Forks. They're doing
Maverick.
that. Hella shit.
Maverick drones.
Go fucking border.
Get over there, ram one of them.
Yeah, take one down.
Dude.
Bring it on.
Dude, that's nuts. I'm gonna. Anybody have binoculars? Quick, let's make a lens. Jason, read the brain.
Use your. Oh yeah, your phone's attached to the drone thing, huh? Well, that cancels that plan.
They're just hovering around us too, like super cool, dude.
They're doing these formations too, which is kind of neat.
They're drones.
Did you see that cute little bird fly by? Just like doo-doo-doo.
Yeah. Straight ahead of you.
Yeah, go forward. There's 5 of them. I don't know if I'm getting them on the screen here. I can hardly see them. I can see them with my eyes.
Dude, just go fucking round forward. Like 100 miles an hour.
Yeah, but they probably have like a joystick.
Ooh, there's a bluish one over there. You see that?
What?
Yeah. Like kind of lower. See how those 3 are making a dot? Yeah.
See
There's one with
He's
blue.
super cute.
He's the shadow. He's the
yeah.
sneaky one.
Where?
Oh, that one over there turned red. See that? Above the white ones? There's our guy.
Doesn't
yeah,
it look
I
like
see
they kind of have something hanging
yeah.
from them?
Kinda.
Jesus, 1, 2, 3, 4,
There's like
5.
6 of them.
There's a
They're
fucking
super
ton of them. How high are you?
There's on stars.
I'm pretty sure this one starts. They're moving. It's the middle of the day.
So wild. How much time do you get on one? This one it's like 16 minutes. 2 hour car time.